The circumference of two circles, the ratio 1:4. And wonderful. So you have a small circle, large circle. So the radius of this is r, this is capital R. This circle circumference is 2 pi r, this is 2 pi capital R. The ratio is 1:4. Or in other words, r by r is 1/4. Capital R is 4 times small r. The radius of this circle is 4 times radius of the smaller circle. So the area should also be 4 times. Hang on a second. We cannot just say area will be 4 times. What is the area of the small circle? That is pi r square. Area of large circle, pi capital R square. This is pi into 4r the whole square. This is pi r square. This is pi into 4r the whole square, or 16 pi r square. Or the ratio of the area is 1:16. Very simple idea. Circumference is linked to radius. Area is linked to radius square. Keep this in mind. So this ratio is 1:2. This ratio will be 1 square is to 2 square, or 1:4. If this ratio, if radius ratio is 1:4, area ratio will be 1 square is to 4 square, 1:16. So circumference is linked to radius. Area is linked to radius square. When I say radius, I mean it is linked. It is 2 pi times radius. Area is pi times radius square. The square makes the difference, not the pi or the 2 pi. So keep that in mind.